Welcome back to Squatting Quads, and you guys are all looking quite ill. That's right, we're back with the SICI challenge, and this has been a little bit of a break since we've done the last SICI challenge because, well, life happens, doesn't it? And the channel's gone from strength to strength, and it unfortunately means that the SICI challenge has had to take a little bit of an impromptu break. But we're back, and we're better than ever before. As everybody knows, we've been incredibly busy on the channel. That's not an excuse, it's merely an explanation as to why the SICI challenge has taken this break that it's taken. However, we are back, and we are back with a vengeance, because we are here with SICI challenge gaps. What does that mean? That means that we're here to provide you with a new challenge, and the challenge is going to be gaps. I'm going to show you 3 clips of gaps that get increasingly more difficult as you do them. First one is going to be an easy gap, and what I want you to do with this one is just find a gap that you can hit and do it repeatedly for a full battery until you're comfortable with it, because I don't want you to risk any equipment. I don't want you to risk anybody's safety either. At the end of the day, this is about challenging not me, not the next person, but it's about challenging you yourself, because this is what this SICI challenge is about, pushing your own limits further than you ever thought you could. The second one, we're going to do a bit of an intermediate one, and I'm going to roll the clip of what I would consider to be intermediate now. Okay, so that's a little bit more difficult, isn't it? You've got to consider the fact that you've got the wind from the North Sea, in this particular example anyway. You've also got to consider the fact that the Ferris wheel needed to be closed, and also you needed to make sure there wasn't people around it. Now, luckily, when the Ferris wheel closes, the whole area at the bottom of it is all cordoned off, so we was okay with that. But again, stay safe, stay legal. I want you to push yourself, but I don't want you to get into trouble. I know there are some challenges out there where people are being advised to land on police cars or gorilla whoop around innocent members of the public through the legs and stuff. And I find it amusing, I do, but I don't think it's the way to go personally, because I think it's just pushing the boundaries a little bit too much. So stay safe, stay legal. But most importantly, just have fun, because it's all about having fun, isn't it? And that's what this SICI challenge is always all about. But now for the fun challenge of the SICI. On this particular example, and I have shown this a few times, I'm going to fly through a cliff. It's a gap, it's over the ocean, it's at night time, there is signal and penetration issues. However, it is the most fun I have had with a drone for a very long time. Let's just roll this clip a second. So that is the SICI challenge. Now the SICI challenge is going to take a bit of an enforced break over the winter. Not because it's winter, but because we're going to reorganise a few things. I originally started this as a once weekly thing, and then it slipped to once every fortnight, and then it slipped to once a month, and then it's been longer than that. So we're going to do this now between now, where are we today? We're at the start of September. So we're going to do this until the start of December. And then over December, we will pick the winner and we will pick a prize and you can have the prize. Now, after that, we're going to have a website. Daniel from my Discord has made some great suggestions and they can go with the ones that we've already got. And we're going to build that over the winter so that we can do this more reliably and more efficiently in 2026. So this will be the last SICI challenge of 2025. Please do enjoy it. Please stay safe, please stay responsible, and please push yourself to your limits and beyond. But make sure that it's always done safe and legally. Peace out.